What's up guys, TK today here. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get the original Apple iPod on your iPhone. Go onto App Store and install this app which is called Test Flight. So I'm going to search and type in TST and then flight, one word altogether. Click on that and it's going to give you that icon there which looks like blue. So you want to click on the install. In my case I already have it installed, so which is fine, and like you can see it's already showing me the music retro app. After you have that installed on your iPhone, now you need to follow the link which I have in the description below. Click on the link and it's going to take you to the place where you can install the retro app. So once you open the retro app, it's going to give you the option to install for iOS or Android. So if you're using an iPhone, do make sure you click on the iOS and then click install. And once you finish installing, it's going to give you a retro. For example, yours may not look like this because I chose this icon, because on this you have various multiple icons. So once you install this and in here, it just gives you example information of all the things that you need to do when you're here to get there. And once you're there, you have your Apple Music playing, as simple as that. If you bypass all the introduction and you finally get to the home screen, for example, I'll just show you now playing. It gives me, there is a music actually playing at the background, but for copyright sake, I turned it to the minimum. So if just to listen to music, I'm gonna swipe and it gives me the volume and I can reduce, and I can go back to menu, go to music, songs, select songs, album, playlist if you have any installed, or albums, artists, you can select your artist from here. And also you can shuffle songs if you have songs already, extras, settings. Wow, and there is another good thing about this that I like. So this actually gives you the option to choose your music server. For example, if you want to use Spotify or Apple as your music server to stream, you could do that as well. So I'll just go to music service, like as you can see on the top. So it gives me the option to use Apple and Spotify. Right now I'm on Spotify. If I click on Spotify, it says Spotify connected. So anything I'm playing on Spotify would be seen here. I can listen to songs on here from Spotify. So once you have that installed, guys, you're free to enjoy your music. And I want to show some other cool features of this thing is you could actually switch the classic style. For example, let's go back to menu. No, you know what, let's go to settings, about. So on the themes, you could actually click on that and then it gives you icons. You can choose the generation of icon that you want. So for example, if you remember, I said I have this one which is the retro look. I prefer this color. So if I want to change the retro look, if I click on Gen 1, it shows me that this is what I'm going to have. So if I hit on OK and go back home, you see the retro look is now white. And then if I want Gen 4 and 5, which is still basically the same thing but with the ring inside, but I prefer to use the last generation, which is the 6 and 7, which looks really cool. So that being said, that is one. And also you could actually change the skins of your HomePod, or sorry, of your iPod. So for example, if you want to get the iPod mini colors, you could get them. If you want to get the original classic, you can get the classic. And for example, I'm using the black, and there's also the space gray. Like if you remember, this was a classic HomePod. And there's also the silver version, which is really dope. And there's also the white version, which I'm not a fan of. So I'm going to go back to my original black. I just choose on black one, and that's it. So if you wanna, maybe if you own the, I don't know, iPod mini or the nanos with random colors, here you have different colors from which you can select. I am not a huge fan of the nano colors. I'm a huge fan of the classic. So there's also textures. For example, I'll show you what texture does. So space gray, this is really good. I like this one, but it looks a little bit off in my opinion compared to the classic. And let's try the silver one again. Yeah, and if you go on flat to show you on gradient, it actually gives you deeper colors like red. And also there's LGBTQ, if I could remember. Let me see if I can go to mix. Yeah, so there is pride, red, purple, trance, and I don't know what tide is, but oh wow, that's new. I swear I haven't seen that before. So I think, let me see, okay, remix, and then, oh, mango. Yeah, I remember this color. So anyways guys, I am not a fan of this, so I'm just going to go back to my original look. Skins, mini nano classic, black. And if, like I said, if you have a song playing, you can listen to your music from Spotify. So if you want to link your account to Spotify, it's just easy. Just go on the menu and go to music, I guess. And then it says music service. On music service, if you hit on that, it gives you the option to stream from Apple Music or from, Spotify. So now playing low. So guys, there you go, having your original iPod Classic on your iPhone. So this works for the newer generation iPhone 13 or iPhone 14 or even down to the iPhone 12. So if this video was helpful guys, do make sure you leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace out.